Hello, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is super special. Want this? Probably showing you today how to make long scroll posts on Instagram. This is my latest post, and I'm already getting likes very fastly. So first of all, you look this post I made. This is how it looks in mobile screens. It is very easy to upload images like this or maybe longer than this. You just be here till video ends. Don't skip any parts. First of all, you guys have to be ready with your images. I made this images with help of Leonardo AI, but you guys can crop it through any app, like PixArt, Photoshop, etc. Then open your Google Chrome and search Instagram Creator Studio. Click the first link you show on, and it will take few seconds to open. If you are not logged in, make sure you log in with your Instagram or Facebook account. You will get page like this after you log in with your account. Now here are some important steps. So look carefully. We click on Create Post here. Now first of all, add caption, so it is easy to do this. Why I write captions first. You will get its answer automatically. Add hashtags and add mentions before we select picture. Now here is the main trick. You have to select your long photo, and the publish button is available for microseconds. Let me show what happened if I miss to hit publish button. As you see here, publish button will available for just a microseconds. So we have to spam the publish button. That's the only way we can upload long image. Otherwise we get notification of aspect ratio. Now I uploading image second time. But this time I'm tapping on publish button continuously. And let's go, we make it. Our long scroll post is uploaded. Okay, let me show you how it's look in PC and mobile both screens. Okay, refresh it, and we get our post. This is how it looks in PC screens, but it will look crazy on mobile phones. This is how it's look on mobile. Now why are you waiting for? Go and make long images and upload that on Instagram and shock your friends with amazing skills of yours. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.